gonna rain on Sunday. Repentant hearts hear the call and propel knees to ultimately fall at the altar call. It's gonna rain on Sunday. Big humans and small humans become the casualties of war. Who even remembers why anymore? It's gonna rain on Sunday. Someone is being violated by the same person they had once trusted. Their character is being annihilated. Why is the victim the one being gaslighted? It's gonna rain on Sunday. Two lovers wed. Forever their souls are united. This date will inextricably remain sacred. It's gonna rain on Sunday. Boarding the plane for a month-long vacation. Well-deserved time for rest and relaxation. It's gonna rain on Sunday. Two friends fight with all their might and wound one another out of sheer spite. It's gonna rain on Sunday. Civilians become increasingly frail. Soldiers are dying at a mass scale. Still war continues to prevail in both Palestine and Israel. It's gonna rain on Sunday. They identify their loved one in the morgue. Unanimous expressions of forlorn. Death is something life can't prepare you for. It's gonna rain on Sunday. Their rainbow baby is born, totally healthy and strong. Their relief is thick and palpable. Tears are unstoppable. It rained for 9 hours on Sunday. A rainbow formed. It rained for 9 hours on Sunday. A rainbow formed in the sky by midday. Rain always falls for the sun eventually.